Hello, my name is Ismail Mobasher. I have a Master of Science in Mechanics of Solid. Since I was so much interested in refrigeration, I decided to enrich my knowledge in this field and I got my second bachelor, but this time in Mechanics of Fluid. I took part in classes of heating and ventilation air conditioning or HVAC and I passed all courses with flying colors. I was so good in the class that I was immediately invited to start my job by some companies. And due to my interpersonal skills, I decided to start teaching what I had learned in the area of refrigeration. And a lot of my students are now flourishing in their jobs. I also have a company giving service to customers in the area of split air conditioners, chillers, and gas furnaces. I also have experience of teaching as an English teacher in language institutes and schools. I managed to get IELTS academic with band score of 7 and with speaking of 8.